Okay, children. A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. Welcome to EVS class, all the children. How are you all? Oh, very good, very good. You all are very fine, I think. Okay, children. So coming to the lesson. So previous completed our good lesson, no? So today I am going to give a hard words. Okay, sixth lesson hard words. Okay, what is the sixth lesson? Can you say anyone? Huh? Yeah, very good. Our food. What is the lesson name? Our food. What is the lesson name? Our food. What is the lesson name? Our food. So in this lesson today I'm going to give difficult words. Okay children? Look at the board and write properly. Take out of your C notes, running notes. Take out of your running notes and write. Okay? Don't write in your fair notes. You afterwards you write in your fair notes. Don't write spelling mistakes also. Okay children? Okay? Difficult words. Okay? Difficult words. All the children look at the board. Write properly. Okay? Journey. Write neatly. Always first letter starts with capital letter. Okay? Journey. Next. Energy. Energy. Strong. Strong. Next. Diseases. Diseases. Okay? And right next one, healthy. Healthy. Right next one, healthy. Read and write all the children. Healthy. Next write cereals. Cereals. Okay? Cereals. Pulses. Pulses. Spices. 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 Okay? And next, beverages. Beverages. Maize. 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 Next write millets, millets. Next, staple, staple. Okay, staple. And right next one, vitamins, vitamins. This is Tina. Minerals. Next, country, chapatis, chapatis, chapatis. Okay, children. Next, write obtained. Obtained. Write neatly, all the children. Obtained. Obtained. Next, write popular. Popular. Right next one, risings. Almonds. Almonds. Okay. And right next one, okay, children, almonds. And right next one, fluffy. Fluffy. Next, right next one, fertilizers. 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 Manures. Manures. Sowing. Next one, right, children? All the children read and write. I can see you. Okay. Komali. Rekman, on your video. Isam Varun Reddy. Nannuri Manoj, on your video, Sama. Next, manures. And after sowing. 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 Okay? Sowing. And right next, germinate. 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 Okay? Next, appear, 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 appear. Okay, children. Next, irrigating, irrigating. Write neatly, children. Irrigating, irrigating. Okay, and write next one, regularly, regularly, regularly. Okay, regularly. And next, spread, spread, spread. Okay, and write next one, spread after pesticides, 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 pesticides. Okay, children, and write next one, pesticides, insecticides, and write next one, insecticides, insecticides. Okay, and write next one, harvesting. What is the next one? Harvesting, harvesting, harvesting. Okay, and write next, threshing, 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 threshing. And next one, winnowing, husk. Right, next one, husk, husk after right, winnowing, winnowing, winnowing. Okay, and write next, winnowing after you write tractor, tractor. Next, bullock, bullock. Okay, mandi, mandi. Okay, children. Last one, mandi after. And tomorrow I will continue these hard words, children. And remaining some hard words are there. Tomorrow I will continue these hard words. So all the children now stop writing and look at the board. First, all are on your videos here. In charge teacher will take attendance. Vishnu, Maheshwari, look at the board. All are on your videos. Sayan, right? Stop writing, Nana. Fold your hands. Okay? Are you ready for the reading? Yeah, very good. So all are fold your hands. Abhinay, Harini, don't fight. Look at the board. Okay, children? First, all the children read these hard words. I am reading first time. Okay, you continue second time also. Okay, start. Which lesson hard words? These all are sixth lesson hard words. Which lesson hard words? Sixth lesson hard words. So read first difficult words. Journey. Read you second time. You read after I am reading. You continue this. Journey. Energy. Energy. Stronger. Stop writing, Abhinay. First read. Hold your hands. Harini, Abhinay. Venu Yadav on your video. Bhavyashree, Vignesh. Okay. Journey. Energy. Strong. Diseases. Very good. Some of the children are reading. Isa Maranedi. Look at the board. Sit properly. Healthy. Healthy. Cereals. Cereals. Pulses. Pulses. Spices. Spices. Beverages. Maize. Maize. Meshana. Read Nana. Millets. Millets. Staple. Staple. Vitamins. Vitamins. Minerals. Minerals. Country. Country. Chapatis. Chapatis. Very good, Vandana and Varshita. Sapparveni, you are not reading. Obtained. Obtained. Popular. Vivek, read. Popular. Raisins. Raisins. Almonds. 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 Fluffing. Fluffing. Fertilizers. Fertilizers. Manures. Manures. Sowing. Sowing. Aralekya. Germinate. Germinate. Appear. Ayan. Very good, Ayan. Appear. Irrigating. Komali also. Very good, Komali. Irrigating. Regularly. Regularly. Sprayed. Sprayed. Vishnu, turn this side. Turn this side. Pesticides. Pesticides. Insecticides. Insecticides. Harvesting. Harvesting. Threshing. Threshing. Husk. Husk. Winnowing. Winnowing. Tractor. Tractor. Bullock. Bullock. Zuveria, what happened? Bullock. Mandi. Mandi. Shall I read once again? Okay? Yeah. So look at the board again. Read fastly, children, now. Okay? Ramcharan. So which lesson has that? Sixth lesson has that. So what is the sixth lesson? Our food. Okay? See this journey. Energy. Strong. Diseases. Healthy. Cereals. Pulses. Spices. Beverages. Maize. Millets. Staple. Vitamins. Minerals. Country. Chapatis. Obtained. Popular. Raisins. Almonds. Okay? Manikanta, read Nana. Fluffing. Fertilizers. Isa Maranreddy. Fertilizers. Manures. Manures. Redmond, you are not reading, I think. Manures. Yeah, read. Manures. Sowing. Germinate. Appear. Irrigating. irrigating, regularly, regularly not regularly, regularly, spread, pesticides, insecticides, harvesting, harvesting, threshing, threshing, husk, husk, winnowing, winnowing, tractor, tractor, bullock, mandi. Okay, children, these all are sixth lesson hard words. So I will send pic in your group. Okay, you write in your pen notes. Okay, children, now once again I will explain about this worksheet. So day 1 and day 2, once again I will explain, children. See here, science, day 1. Here given some of the words, hard words. Once again, all the children, those who have worksheet, all are take out of your worksheet, Nana, and open this page number 7. See once, children, listen carefully, and still those who are not come school, you must come to school and take this worksheet. Pay online fees and take this worksheet. It is very important and it is very useful to you. Okay, children? So you must come school and take this worksheet. Okay? So here I am explaining day 1, Nana. See here given some of the hard words. Once I am reading these hard words. First one is digestion. What is the first one? Digestion. Okay, digestion. Second one, already I sent yesterday, audio record I sent. Hard words. Okay, once again you listen. Second one is esophagus. Esophagus. Third one, small intestine. Manikanta, you still did not take a worksheet, so you are watching me. All are see your worksheet. Okay. Third one, small intestine. Next, fourth one, large intestine. What is the fourth one? Large intestine. But here given fifth one, here given SI. That is not SI. SA. Here I am writing. SALIVary. Salivary gland. SALIVary. Okay. Salivary gland. But here given SI. So that is mistake. So next one here C. Here also yes. Last one C. SA is there in missing letters. Okay. So write the missing letters. You learn after only you complete these missing letters. Okay, children. First you learn these 5 words. Okay. Afterwards only you complete this missing letters. That is day 1. And next social. Social day 2. Here also given some other words. Okay. First one is minerals. Minerals. Second one, sand dunes. Second one, sand dunes. Third one, oasis. What is the third one? Oasis. Page number 8. Rehman, show me your worksheet. 4 minutes are there. Half an hour కదా మరి లేట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ఆమె లేట్ అయిపోయింది నాకు క్లాస్ లేట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేట్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇండియా. నెక్స్ట్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్. ఓకే, మినరల్స్, శాండ్ డ్యూన్స్, ఓసీస్, ప్లేట్యూ, ఇండియా, ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్. Total 6 hard words here given. So you learn after only you complete this missing letters. So this is day 1. Okay, children. Now day 1 science explained here and day 1 social I explained. Next day 2. What is day 2 today? Science, digestive system paragraph here given, one content here given. What is the digestive system? The food we eat that not useful to our body as it is. It needs to be changed into a simpler form to be absorbed by the body. The process by which food is converted into a simpler form so that it can be used by our body to get energy and nourishment is known as digestion. Okay, what is a digestion? What is meant by digestion? Here given question. You see in this one and write it. From where to where you read and understand and write. Okay, this is science. And social also. What is social? Mountain range, plains, here given paragraphs. Okay, here given two contents about that mountain range and one is a plains. You read these two paragraphs and complete these questions. And don't forget this last one, children, values corner. After the social, after here given one box, values corner box. You see that is very, very important. Values, moral values that. Okay. Take blessings from elders. Write from who all have taken blessings. First you take blessings your parents or grandparents or your sister. Okay. You take blessings and after you write here who all you have taken blessings, you write here. Write their names. For example, I took blessings my grandparents or next parents or my mother or my father. You write like that. Next date also here given values corner. Respect elders. Never speak against elders. And always listen to what they say. Write one incident where you have listened to elders. So you respect your elders. You know very well who are the elders. Your parents, grandparents, your elder sister or your elder brother. So these are what elders. So don't against elder. Okay, always listen to what they say. And here write one topic also. Okay, children, this is day 1 and day 2. Did you understand? And still if you have any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile. If you have any doubts on this worksheet or difficult words, no doubts. Okay, I hope you all are understood very well, children. Thank you.